Income tax MCQ multiple choice questions for departmental exam, in-service exams, PSC exams, UPSC exams, UGC NET exam, degree PG level exams and various other exams. Income Tax Act 1961. Question number 1. Any income from HUF received by member of HUF shall be answer fully exempt. Question number 2. In case of a partner, the share of profits from the firm is dash. Answer fully exempt. Question number 3. Share of profit of Mr. Abhishek, who is a partner in Messrs. Akkar and Company Limited. Akkar and Company is answer exempt from tax. Question number 4. Casual income received by the assessee is dash. Fully taxable. Question number 5. A cricket match organized by the Cricket Control Board of India for the benefit of Rajesh, wherein he received rupees 5 lakhs is dash. Answer exempt income because retired from profession. I repeat, a cricket match organized by the Cricket Control Board of India for the benefit of Mr. Rajesh, wherein he received rupees 5 lakhs is dash. Answer exempt income. Exempt income because retired from profession. Question number 6. L traced a missing person and was awarded a sum of rupees 1 lakh, although there was no stipulation to that effect. Such receipt shall be answer casual income and fully taxable. Question number 7. Scholarship received by a student to meet the cost of education is dash. Answer fully exempt. Question number 8. Scholarship received by a student was rupees 1000 per month. He spends rupees 8000 for meeting the cost of education. The balance rupees 4000 is dash. Answer exempt. Question number 9. An author was awarded by CBDT a sum of rupees 50,000 for writing a book in Hindi as first prize. Such award is fully exempt. Answer true. Question number 10. A local authority has earned income from the supply of commodities outside its own jurisdictional area. It is exempt. Answer false. Question number 11. A local authority has earned income from the supply of water or electricity outside its own jurisdictional area. It is answer exempt. Question number 12. Income under the head CG to a local authority is dash. Answer exempt. Question number 13. Income under the head CG to a trade union is dash. Answer taxable. Question number 14. A subsidy received from the tea board by an assessee carrying on the business of growing and manufacturing tea for replantation or replacement of tea bushes is dash. Answer exempt. Question number 15. Dividend received by a company from the domestic co is dash. Answer exempt. Question number 16. Dividend received by a foreign company from a domestic company is answer exempt. Question number 17. Subsidy received by the assessee from rubber board for replantation or replacement of rubber plant is dash. Answer exempt. Question number 18. Income arising from the transfer of units of the UTI or mutual fund covered under section 10 subsection 23D shall answer not be exempt. Question number 19. Any sum received under a life insurance policy including bonus is exempt. Answer option A in all kinds of policies. Option B in all kinds of policies except when received under keyman policy. Option C, option B option B plus policy issued on or after 1/4/2003. If the premium paid for any year exceeds 20% of actual capital sum assured except on death. Correct answer option B, that is in all kinds of policies except when received under keyman policy plus policy issued on or after 1/4/2003. If the premium paid for any year exceeds 20% of actual capital sum assured except on death. Question number 20. Any pension received by an individual or family pension received by any member of his family where such individual is in the service of central or state government and was awarded Paramveer Chakra, Mahavir Chakra or Veer Chakra or any other notified gallantry award shall be answer exempt. Question number 21. Venture capital company or venture capital fund are given exemption from income tax for answer any income from investment in a VCU. Question number 22. Where the income of an individual includes the income of minor children, such income shall be exempt up to dash rupees 1500 per minor child or to extent of income of the minor child included in the total income of the assessee, whichever is less. I repeat, correct answer rupees 1500 per minor child or to extent of income of the minor child included in the total income of the assessee, whichever is less. Question number 23. Income of a newly established undertaking in a free trade zone is dash. Answer exempt for 10 years but not beyond assessment year 2012-13. Question 24. Income from unit of UTI of mutual fund covered under section 10 subsection 23D is dash. Answer exempt. I repeat, income of question number 23. Income of a newly established undertaking in a free trade zone is dash. Answer exempt for 10 years but not beyond assessment year 2012-13. Question number 24. Income from unit of UTI of mutual fund covered under section 10 subsection 23D is dash. Answer exempt. Question number 25. Family pension received by the legal hire of a army person who died during operational duties shall be dash. Answer fully exempt. Question number 26. CG arising from compulsory acquisition of urban agricultural land is dash. Answer exempt. Question number 27. In respect of voluntary contributions in excess of rupees 20,000 received by a political party, exemption under section 13A is available where proper details about the donations are maintained. There is no need to maintain books of account. Answer false. Question number 28. Incomes that do not form Question number 28. Incomes that do not form part of the total income are called answer exempt income. Question number 28. Incomes that do not form part of the total income are called answer exempt income. Question number 29. Which of the following exemption is available for a foreign citizen under section 10 subsection 6? Answer option A, remuneration of foreign diplomats. Option B, remuneration of employee of a foreign enterprise. Option C, salary of a crew member of a foreign ship. And option D, all of the above. Correct answer, option D, all of the above. Question number 30. Exemptions related to defense purpose under section 10 subsection 6C is not specific about this condition. Answer, services should be rendered only in India. Question number 31. Gulf Oil Corporation, a foreign company, is interested in carrying on business of crude oil in India. Which of its activities would be exempt under section 10? 10 subsection 1. Confusion. Sale of crude oil, question number 31. Gulf Oil Corporation, a foreign company, is interested in carrying on business of crude oil in India. Which of its activities would be exempt under section 10? 1. Sale of crude oil. 2. Storage of crude oil in a facility in India and sale therefrom. 3. Income from sale of leftover crude oil from the facility in India after the expiry of agreement or arrangement. And 4. Any other activity other than crude oil business carried on by the foreign company is also exempt. Correct answer. Option 1, sale of crude oil, and option 2, storage of crude oil in a facility in India and sale storage of crude oil in a facility in India and sale therefrom. And 3, that is income from sale of leftover crude oil from the facility in India after the expiry of agreement or arrangement. These 3 are correct. These 3 are the answer. Question number 32. Compensation received on account of disaster is exempt under section 10, subsection 10 BC if it is received from answer A. Central government, B. State government, C. Local authority, D. All of the above. Correct answer, all of the above. Question number 33. Which of the following news agency is notified under section 10, subsection 22B? Answer, Press Trust of India. Press Trust of India. Question number 34. Which of the following income is not exempt under section 10? Option A, share in total income of firm. Option B, bonus on life insurance. Option D, income from agriculture in Lahore. Option D, income from mutual funds. Correct answer, income from agriculture in Lahore. Question number 35. Mr. X received compensation of rupees 2,60,000 from the central government on account of disaster. He claimed rupees 1,20,000 as a deduction on account of loss or damage caused by such disaster under this act. What amount of compensation received shall be exempt? Answer, 1,40,000. 1,40,000. 1,40,000. Question number 36. Income from investments made by way of equity shares in a VCC are exempt if they are by way of dash. Answer, dividends and long-term capital gains. Question number 37. Receipt of income by a married daughter widow from father's HUF is dash, not exempt from tax. Question number 38. Which of the following is not a condition for claiming exemption under section 10AA? Answer, bar or use of old machines imported from a foreign country. Question number 39. Section 10AA exemption is applicable for answer, SEZ, and FTZ and ETB converted into SEZ. Answer, SEZ and FTZ and ETP converted into SEZ. Question number 40. Where a deduction under section 10AA is claimed and allowed in respect of profits of any of the specified business referred to in section 35 AD for any assessment year, then shall be allowed under the provision of section 35 AD in relation to such a specified business for the same or any other assessment year. Answer, no reduction. Question number 41. Mr. Galton, born and brought up in the state of Sikkim, had net profit of rupees 2,25,000 from the business located in Sikkim and interest of rupees 55,000 on the securities bonds issued by the government of Rajasthan. Calculate his taxable income. Answer, nil. Question number 42. Mr. M, a Sikkimese woman, married Mr. L, a non-Sikkimese, on 1st January 2008. During the previous year 2023-24, he received rent of rupees 7 lakh from letting out house properties situated in the state of Sikkim. Is she liable to income tax for the assessment year 2024-2025? Mr. M is eligible for Mrs. Mrs. M is Mrs. M is eligible for exemption under section 10 subsection 26 AAA. Mr. M is eligible Mrs. M is eligible for exemption under section 10 subsection 26 AAA. Question number 43. Which of the following statement is not true about income from NRI bonds? Option A, the exemption is also available to the donee who received from the non-resident. Option B, this benefit continues to apply even after the non-resident becomes a resident. Option C, it should be acquired in convertible foreign exchange. Option D, none of the above. Correct answer, option D, none of the above. Question number 44. Alpha institution was existing solely for educational purposes and not for purposes of profit. The institution was wholly or substantially financed by the government. The annual receipt of the institution was rupees 54 lakh. It earned income of rupees 3 lakh 50,000 during the previous year 2023-24. Calculate the amount of income taxable. Answer nil. Question number 45. Family pension received on death of member of armed forces where the death occurred in course of operational duties and in prescribed conditions shall be exempt if received by dash. Answer A, widow of the member. Option B, nominated heirs of the member. Option C, children of the member. Option D, all of the above. Correct answer, all of the above. Question number 46. Which of the following income would be exempt in the hands of a Sikkimese individual? Option A, only income from any source in the state of Sikkim. Option B, only income by way of dividend. Option C, only income from interest on securities. Option D, all of the above. Correct answer, option D, all of the above. Question number 47. Which of the following statements are true in respect of taxability of agriculture income under the Income Tax Act 1961? Correct answer. Any income derived from saplings or seedlings grown in a nursery is agricultural income exempt from tax under section 10 subsection 1. And while computing income tax liability of an assessee aged 50 years, agriculture income is required to be added to total income only if net agriculture income for the previous year exceeds rupees 5,000 and the total income excluding net agriculture income exceeds rupees 2,50,000. Question number 48. XYZ Limited has two units. One unit at Special Economic Zone SEZ and other unit at Domestic Tariff Area DTA. The unit in SEZ was set up and started manufacturing from 12/3/2015 and unit in DTA from 15/6/2018. Total turnover of XYZ Limited and unit in DTA is rupees 8 crore 50 lakh and rupees 3 crore 25 lakh respectively. Export sales of unit in SEZ and DTA is rupees 2 crore 50 lakh and 1 crore 25 lakh respectively, and net profit of unit in SEZ and DTA is rupees 80 lakh and rupees 45 lakh respectively. XYZ Limited would be eligible for deduction under section 10AA for previous year 2023-24 for rupees. Answer, correct answer, rupees 19 lakh 4,762. Then question number 49. Leda leaves India for the first time on 24/12/2023. Determine her residential status for the assessment year 2024-25. Answer, non-resident. Assessment year 2024-2025. Correct answer, non-resident. Question number 37. An individual is said to be a resident and ordinarily resident if. Answer, he is a resident in any 2 out of the last 10 years preceding the relevant previous year. And his total stay in India in the last 7 years preceding the relevant previous year is 730 days or more. Both A and B. Question number 38. Which of the following statement is true for determining the residential status of person? Option A, stay in India should be for a continuous period. Option B, stay should be in any one place in India. Correct answer, neither A nor B. Question number 39. How is residential status of a HUF determined? Answer, number of days of stay of the Karta and control and management of the affairs of the HUF. Both A and B. Correct answer, both. Question number 40. Place of effective management of a company for deciding the residential status shall not apply to a company having. Answer, turnover of gross receipts of rupees 50 crores or less in a financial year. Question number 41. A firm is said to be a resident of India. Answer, if control and management of its affairs is wholly inside India. Question number 42. The following income is taxable for dash. 1. Income received or deemed to be received in India during the current financial year, irrespective of place of accrual, and 2. Income accruing or arising or deemed to accrue or arise in India during the current financial year, irrespective of place of receipt. Options: A, resident, B, non-residents, C, resident and not ordinary resident. Option D, all of the above. Correct answer, all of the above. Question number 43. Income from business which is situated outside India but controlled from India is taxable for. Answer, resident and ordinary resident and resident and not ordinary resident. Both. Question number 44. Ravi has a house property in Sri Lanka for which he receives the rent in India. The income is taxable in the hands of Ravi if he is a. Answer, resident and ordinary resident, resident and not ordinary resident. Both these. Question number 45. S Limited is registered in UK. Its control and management is from India. S Limited is a. Answer, resident. Question number 46. Question number 59. Fee for technical services rendered in India but received in Dubai is taxable in case of. Answer, resident. Option A, resident. Option B, non-resident. Option C, not ordinary resident. Correct answer, all of the above. Question number 60. Global income earned by Seema will be taxable in India if she is a. Answer, resident and ordinary resident. Question number 48. Raghav is a non-resident living in Sydney. For the previous year 2023-2024, he receives rupees 25,000 rental income from his house in Pune. He had sold his property in Chennai to his friend Ramesh, who also resides in Sydney, for rupees 75 lakh. He also received dividend income of rupees 15,000 from an Indian company. Calculate his taxable income in India for the assessment year 2024-2025? Correct answer 75 lakh 40,000. Question number 62. Interest paid by a resident for carrying on business or profession outside India is deemed to accrue or arise in India if the receiver is a answer resident and ordinary resident. Question number 50. Interest paid by a resident for any other purpose other than carrying on business or profession outside India is deemed to accrue or arise in India if the receiver is a answer option A non-resident, option B resident and ordinary resident, option C resident and not ordinary resident, option D all of the above. Correct answer all of the above. Question number 64. Dr. Mahat, a doctor from London, visited India to perform a surgery at an Indian hospital and earned rupees 3 lakh. This income is answer taxable in India because the income is deemed to accrue and arise in India. Question number 50. I repeat, answer taxable in India because the income is deemed to accrue and arise in India. Question number 52. Question number 65. If Anirudh, a citizen of India, has stayed in India in the previous year 2023-24 for 181 days and he is non-resident in 9 out of the 10 years immediately preceding the current previous year and he has stayed in India for 365 days in all in the 4 years immediately preceding the current previous year and for 20 days in all in the 7 years immediately preceding the current previous year. His residential status for the assessment year 2024-25 would be answer resident but not ordinarily resident. Question number 66. Raman, a citizen of India, was employed in Hindustan Liver Limited. He resigned on 27/9/2023. He received a salary of rupees 40,000 per annum from 1/4/2023 to 27/9/2023 from Hindustan Liver Limited. Thereafter, he left for Dubai for the first time on 1/10/2023 and got salary of rupee equivalent of rupees 80,000 per annum from 1/10/2023 to 31/3/2024 in Dubai. His salary for October to December 2023 was credited his Dubai bank account and the salary for January to March 2024 was credited in his Mumbai account directly. He is liable to tax in respect of answer income received in India and in Dubai. Question number 54. Mr. Suhan, aged 35 years, a non-resident, earned dividend income of rupees 12,50,000 from an Indian company which was declared on 30/9/2023 and credited directly to his bank account on 5/10/2023 in France and rupees 15,000 as interest in saving account from State Bank of India for the previous year 2023-24. Assuming that he has no other income, what will be amount of income chargeable to tax in his hands in India for assessment year 2024-25? Correct answer 12,55,000. Question number 55. Ashish earns the following income during the previous year 2023-24. Interest on UK development bonds 1/4 being received in India rupees 4 lakh. Capital gain on sale of a building located in India but received in Holland rupees 6 lakh. If Ashish is a resident but not ordinarily resident in India, then what will be the amount of income chargeable to tax in India for assessment year 2024-25? Answer 7 lakh. Question number 69. Mr. Sumit is an Indian citizen and a member of the crew of an America-bound Indian ship engaged in carriage of freight in international traffic departing from Chennai on 25th April 2023. From the following details for the previous year 2023-24, what would be the residential status of Mr. Sumit for assessment year 2024-25, assuming that his stay in India in the last 4 previous years preceding previous year 2023-24 is 365 days and last 7 previous years preceding previous year 2023-24 is 730 days. Date entered in the continuous discharge certificate in respect of joining the ship by Mr. Sumit 25th April 2023. Date entered in the continuous discharge certificate in respect of signing of the ship by Mr. Sumit 24th October 2023. Mr. Sumit has been filing his income tax return in India as a resident for the preceding 2 previous years. Answer: resident and ordinarily resident. Question number 70. I repeat, correct answer: resident and ordinarily resident. Question number 57. Question number 70. Mr. Squire, an Indian citizen, currently resides in Dubai. He came to India on a visit and his total stay in India during the financial year 2023-24 was days. He is not liable to pay any tax in Dubai. Following is details of stay in India in the preceding previous years. Financial year 2022-23, days of stay in India 100, 2021-22 125, 2020-21 106, 2019-20 83, 2018-19 78, 2017-18 37, 2016-17 40. What shall be his residential status for the previous year 2023-24 if his total income other than income from foreign sources is rupees 10 lakhs? Answer: non-resident. Question number 71. Dividend income from Australian company received in Australia in the year 2020 brought to India during the previous year 2023-24 is taxable in the assessment year 2024-25 in the case of answer no answer. Option A, resident and ordinarily resident only. Option B, both resident and ordinarily resident and resident but not ordinarily resident. Option C, non-resident. Option D, none of the above. Correct answer, none of the above. Question number 72. Mr. Ramesh, a citizen of India, is employed in the Indian Embassy in Australia. He is a non-resident for assessment year 2024-25. He received salary and allowances in Australia from the Government of India for the year ended 31/3/2024 for services rendered by him in Australia. In addition, he was allowed perquisites by the government. Which of the following statements are correct? Correct answer: salary received by Mr. Ramesh is taxable in India, but allowances and perquisites are exempt. Question number 73. Mr. Nishant, a resident but not ordinarily resident for the previous year 2022-23 and resident and ordinarily resident for the previous year 2023-24, has received rent from property in Canada amounting to rupees 1 lakh during the previous year 2022-23 in a bank in Canada. During the financial year 2023-24, he remitted this amount to India through approved banking channels. Is such rent taxable in India, and if so, how much and in which year? Answer: no, such rent is not taxable in India either during the previous year 2022-23 or during the previous year 2023-24. Question number 74. Who among the following will qualify as non-resident for the previous year 2023-24? Mr. Joy, an Italian designer, came on a visit to India to explore Indian handloom on 3/9/2023 and left on 15/12/2023. For past 4 years, he visited India for fashion shows and stayed in India for 100 days each year. Mr. Sanjay, born and settled in Canada, visits India each year for 3 months to meet his parents and grandparents born in India in 1946, living in Mumbai. His Indian income is rupees 15,20,000. Mr. Chang, a Korean scientist, left India to his income country for fixed employment there. He stayed in India for study and research in medicines from 1/1/2019 till 1/7/2023. Choose the correct answer. Option A, Mr. Joy and Mr. Chang. Option B, Mr. Sanjay. Option C, Mr. Sanjay and Mr. Chang. Option D, Mr. Chang. Correct answer, option B, Mr. Sanjay. Question number 75. Mr. Tejas, an Indian citizen, left India permanently with his wife and 2 children for extending his retail trade business of toys in Canada in the year 2018. From Canada, he is managing his retail business of toys in India. For the purpose of his Indian business, he visits India every year from 1st September to 31st January. His business income is rupees 23.50 lakhs and rupees 18 lakhs from retail trade business in Canada and in India respectively for the financial year 2023-24. He has no other income during the previous year 2023-24. Determine his residential status and income taxable in his hands for the assessment year 2024-25. Correct answer, resident but not ordinarily resident, and rupees 18 lakh from Indian retail trade business would only be taxable. Question number 76. Mr. Harry, an Indian citizen, is a marketing consultant who provides consultancy to various countries around the globe. Due to his profession, he is required to travel across various countries throughout the year. His marketing project does not last for more than 40 days, and therefore his stay in any country, including India, usually never exceeds 40 days during a year. His income is rupees 80 lakhs across the globe, which is not liable to tax in any country. During the previous year, 2023-24, an Indian company provides him a marketing project in India. His stay in India for the project is expected to be only 25 days, and his income from that project would be rupees 30 lakhs. Being a highly qualified professional, he consults you about the tax regime on his income and his residential status in India. Answer, he shall be treated as resident but not ordinarily resident and shall be liable to pay tax on rupees 30 lakhs. Correct answer, I repeat, he shall be treated as resident but not ordinarily resident and shall be liable to pay tax on rupees 30 lakhs. Question number 77. Mr. Mango, an Indian citizen, lives in New York, USA. Since the last 10 years, he has a penthouse in Mumbai given on rent at rupees 2 lakh per month. During the year 2023, he came to India for 152 days in aggregate. His total stay in India in the immediately preceding 4 previous years is 366 days. You are being the tax consultant of Mr. Mango. Advise him about his residential status for the assessment year 2024-25. Correct answer, resident but not ordinary resident. Question number 78. Determine residential status of Sundaram HUF, which carries out its transactions in Malaysia. Its affairs are partly controlled from India. The Karta of HUF, Mr. Sundaram, who is from Chennai, visits India on 1/6/2022 and leaves to Malaysia on 10 to 2023. He has not visited India for the past 11 years. Answer: resident but not ordinarily resident. Thank you.